Yo, what's going on? Crypto Richie here hanging out today, and we're going to be talking about Mob Studios and this project here. Well, they have three different projects: Infected Mob, Robot Mafia Club, and Rare Robots. Obviously, the main one is Infected Mob, which is 7,777 mobsters. And they also do pretty amazing artwork, and they're doing derivatives on, let's go to Twitter here, on OK Bears and Primates and a few other projects I believe are in the works. But tell me what you guys think. Are you guys bullish? I've been doing a lot of Twitter research, and to me it looks like this project really has a 10x potential from here. If we go to Magic Eden here on the past 60-day sale history on Infected Mobs, you can see that, they started out pretty low, 0.76, 0.7, and then they started pumping. They got as high as about 15 to about 15. Some of them were selling close to 15 Solana. The medium range was around 7, 8 Solana. And then we kind of came down into a consolidation mode right now, I believe. We're in a bear market. NFT sales are down across the board everywhere on OpenSea, Magic Eden. The volume isn't where it used to be like it was last year this time. But I think, for 5 Solana, these things are selling pretty well right now. It might be a good time to pick one or two up if you're interested in a Solana project with a company in back of it. It's not just some cool looking NFTs. They have something called Mob Studios, and I believe they have a coin as well. If you take a look at their roadmap, it's not here, but there is a coin I've seen. And if you're watching this and if you have more information, just type down below in the chat, let me know. But let's see. Most of the information is spread across Twitter. So they have a company called Mob Studios, and there's just a lot of things going on. A lot of people are bullish with Infected Mob. They have a pretty big following, 58,000 followers on Twitter, and there's a lot going on. A lot of people are talking about it. They're bullish on it. A lot of updates. So look into it. If you guys are looking into a Solana project, Solana is a lot cheaper than Ethereum, of course. I'm into Primates as well, but you might want to check out. This guy got a robot. The robots are a lot rarer. If you go down to the website here, let me click back one shot. So the robots, there's only like 500 and something of these guys. The Robot Mafia Club. Let's check this one out here. $777 supply for these guys. Let's look at the activity. 20 minutes ago, 4 hours ago, a day ago. So they're not selling that much, but people are picking them up. And there's a lot of things coming. They're staking, and you earn mob coin. Here it is. Kind of like what's that other project that I hold? Not Bored Ape Solana Club. Baby Ape Social Club. You earn dab coin, and I do have baby apes as well. I'm not sure how they're doing. I haven't checked them in a while, but let me know what you think. Comment down below. Let me know if you're bullish on Mob Studios and Infected Mob. I am thinking of picking one up at this point. I haven't picked one up yet. I think I'm going to, but let me know what you think down below on this project here. A lot of people are bullish. A lot of updates on Infected Mob. Let me know what you think. a lot of people are choosing Infected Mob. Look at this, 53%. There are 4 communities I'm in, and they're seriously loud communities, but which one is the loudest one? Infected Mob looks like number 1 here, killing it with 53%. Just joined the strongest community. So there's a lot of love, 100 likes. You know, there's a lot of love for Infected Mob. You know, and they are a real company in the background doing things with cool artwork. So comment down below, let me know what you think. Tony Crypto Richie here, hanging out with you today. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video on Infected Mob. Let me know, comment down below, hit the like, share, subscribe. Not only do we cover NFTs, but we also cover cryptocurrency, and we're going to be covering a lot of other alternative altcoins and cryptos in the coming videos. So anyway, it's Tony here. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know what you're going to be doing. I think I'm going to be picking one of these up. If I do, I probably pick up maybe 1 or 2 of them, and yeah, see what happens. Talk to you soon. Have a good day. Bye.